Did you say you have one lens only? You're in the right place. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thomas Love here from beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia, and today we're gonna have a portrait session with a model, Catherine, with our Leica Q2. A 28mm lens for a portrait shooting with a model. Yes, you're right. We're gonna test it today and see what are its limits. When you think about modeling and shooting with a model, you want to have a longer focal length, like an 85mm. My preferred one would be a 105mm, which I used to love. But today we're gonna use this 28mm prime lens. It also has a fairly fast aperture speed because with its f1.7 we will be able to have the separation between the model and the background. It's the very first time I'm using this studio. It's located in Gastown, so let's go and see if the illumination is fair enough or if we'll have to use the additional lights that I brought with me. So let's go and have fun. Let me know if you enjoyed the session afterwards. Feel free to comment down here. If you didn't do it yet, please subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any new videos and it keeps me going. Thank you very much. Now let's go shooting. When shooting with a model, the most important thing, apart the camera settings, the illumination and the location, is to create a bond with that person. We are human beings. You want to have a bond because you're gonna work together with another person, and together you want to transmit something with the shots we're gonna take. Now, using a wide angle lens such as 28mm, it means that we cannot have very close headshots. So probably we're gonna have ambience shooting. It is also a heritage building. The apartment where we are shooting today is also a heritage building. So we're gonna show something interesting. This is Gastown, guys. It's a beautiful building, just renovated.
Hi guys, I'm Catherine. Hope you enjoyed the show. See you soon. Take care. Bye.
So how was it? Did you enjoy the shooting? What do you think we did with the 28 millimeters? I think the Leica performed very well. It is very sharp. This lens, I didn't use it at wide aperture because I didn't want to risk not to have the eye in full focus. We need to have the eyes very sharp when we're shooting with a model. Anyway, please comment down here. If you didn't do it yet, subscribe to the channel, like the video, feel free to share it, and I guess I will see you later. Bye.